Let's see how many seconds it takes Dexter to eat all of these kernels of popcorn. How many seconds will it take? Are we ready to release the dog? On your mark, get set, go! Boy, this dog can eat. Does he have a hollow leg? Getting close to the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow there.